What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Augusto again, back at it with a long needed video. Today's video is going to be, well, you read the title, so this is what it's going to be about. I just want to make this video for you guys and for myself to document that this lip is going to be one of a kind. I haven't seen this lip that much out here in Sacramento, so if you guys want this same exact lip, it is the OLM S208 replica lip from Rally Sport Direct. So if you guys have any other questions about that, feel free to go down in the comment section below and ask whatever you guys want to ask, and I'll do my best to get back at you guys. But in this video, like I said, I'm going to be as detailed as possible, depending on how hard it will be or how intricate it will be. And yeah, so without further ado, I will show you guys the lip before it's put on, obviously, and I think me and Michael are gonna have to take out my front bumper. So show you guys that process and the next clip. Catch you guys later. Peace.
So guys, it's here. Well, it's been here, but it's finally the day where we are gonna install the lip that Austin was talking about. If you guys could see, the thing is hella aggressive. It's freaking insane. But we do want to say a shout out to Marcus from MTS because he did put some PPF on this, just since AJ is usually just daily in this car. He wanted to make sure this was protected by all means, rock chips and everything. So yeah, now we're just gonna set up, take this bumper apart, and we're gonna install the lip. We'll show you little its and bits of the whole process, and we will show you how it looks after.
Alright guys, so I took off my front plate, and now at this time we're actually gonna have to try to take this whole front bumper out. I've never done it. Michael has done it multiple times in his WRX over there. So with that being said, we shall take the pop clips out. So screws and pop clips will be taken out. And then there's a bunch of pop clips, I'm assuming, down in the bottom as well. So we'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so at this point we're going to have Irene do some of the work right now. She said since she's the only one that's small and could fit under the car, I'm lowered kind of, by the way. But anyway, she wants to go ahead and take out the pop clips on the bottom. And I think there's 2 here, 3 in the center, and 2 on the other side. And yeah, we'll update you guys once that is done. Just a heads up, these right here are 10 millimeters. So if you guys have 10 millimeters, you guys could do the job. Ow. Right.
Yeah. Just pull it out. But don't pull too far back because. So you're gonna take off the turn.
Yeah, I got the turn out.
And then you're just gonna detach this guy, the one that's closest inside. I think that's just like a little popper boy.
Alright guys, so as Irene showed you guys on the previous clip, this right here is a rubber lining that you're supposed to be putting on this part of the lip just so you won't scratch your paint. Now Michael has a similar lip to this, and he hasn't installed this. And he said that you said you have scratches on your paint?
Yeah.
He has scratches on his paint. So, key factor, put this on. And the words of a wise man said, I walk so others could run. So we're going to try to figure this out and put this on, and we'll keep you guys updated in a little bit. Alright guys, so we had installed all the hardware that came along with it. I didn't get to show you much because we had definitely ran into multiple issues of fitment wise. Rating on the install on this so far, I haven't really seen it on the car yet, so I don't really know. But there will for sure be slight gap between the hardware or the self-tapping screws within the bumper. So the fitment on there is not going to be precise, but it will get the job done. So eventually, if I were you guys, I will be doing the same thing, is eventually moving the hardware, taking out the self-tapping screws and converting them to actual hardware later on in the future. But let us finish putting this back on the car, reverse the method that we basically just did in the previous clips before, and we'll show you guys afterwards. I do want to tell you guys that this right here, all you gotta do is just basically estimate what you think would be best. We try to be as precise as possible. there's no way that we could get this absolutely 100%. So like I said, we'll put this back on and then we'll catch you guys in the next clip.
Okay guys, so like 3 hours later we finally got the bumper back on. Everything is looking good. Like AJ just cleaned up the car, and let me tell you guys, his lip looks amazing. Don't worry about the dirtiness of the car. We still gotta wash it tonight, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around of the car, and so let's see. Look at this, guys. This is how the lip is turning out. I'm gonna go as low as possible. It looks phenomenal. Okay guys, so this is how the lip looks like put on, and let me tell you, woo! Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. It was a simple install, but it just took a while because this is our first time removing the bumper from this car. Hope you guys enjoyed that clip. We are going to be posting more photos on Ronnie the Rex Instagram, so make sure you guys are following that to know the latest updates with this car. But it is time to end this video, and I do want to thank everyone who stuck around, people who are with us through thick and thin, and let's see what's coming up next. But as for right now, I want you guys to stay positive and be awesome. See you guys in the next video.
You can turn it on.